Hi guys, it's me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets. The stuff is already going on my screen. That's the trade I didn't take because there is bigger volumes on our way up. They're short. This is long. This is long. This is short. Yeah, come saw something weird. Volume distribution is still right. And even more importantly, well, for five, oops, that's a valid 0.52 for inferior time frame. So I don't know, I was not happy with these volumes. We are above it now. So in such case, we would need price to change direction and bigger volume at approach, not it's at extremum, but the I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm choking myself. The bigger volume is in bullish bar, not in bearish. So the combination of the factors led me to conclusion I should not and it's short. So only real stop market. We'll see if it goes, but yeah, I would consider something if it changed direction on hourly. Posy, unvolumed spring, too far away from point 0.5, so so in its evening session now, so certainly no strings. Fjord made this move. Interesting. And once again for inferior time frame now, that was all right. This volume is disturbing. But it was the first volume of the month. Yeah, and now it's nowhere. Okay. Okay, let's start from the top. Tegeka didn't take the trade. I would have. I was just not in the money. Um, I had my positions. I don't have any cash in Russian market right now available. I would have taken this trade. I loved everything about it right from here. With fast because expanding, yeah. So for here, beautiful trade. Um, it still will be beautiful from here. I think. Well, the more we move from the support zone of inferior time frame, superior time frame, but still good. Would be good from here. It's Friday, so like lazy day. Let's take a look at the markets. Oil didn't hold, broke down. Um, it's good in continuation of the short trend now. Oof, it went down. Um, it just went down. This is a beautiful volume. previous T2 is here. That looks great. Yeah, it needs to find the test level now or come to 0.5. This thing I decided to discontinue because like super technically 190, 1900. Oh wait, 1900 and 340. Yeah, so it went lower by a tick. It's not in 0.5. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to discontinue. Even though it like went down close below the level by a hair. This one I have on the table. Qs. Everything gapped. SPY. IWM. This thing is still bebopping around. But I asked my my trading coach whether it makes sense to make perforated levels in the direction of context, direction of the model from the bar level. It sure makes sense from the wave level, but I'm not sure about the bar level. It's right there unvolumed, and I have it open. MOEX is bebopping, consolidating here. For better or worse, we'll know soon. Try to resume from here. Try to resume here, here. Doesn't go much. Yeah, just consolidating. Comes to point, but change direction. That would be interesting to. That's still low. We are 0.5. I'd rather had it come over here, like up thrust. what I'm trying to do here. Anyhow, yep, that trade I didn't take because I don't think it's good. And I think that's a confirmation that this trade is not good. Because it broke the, that's not how waves are born, I was gonna say. However, this is all is a tail. It all just went down. Well, I would say that this is just a tail. This is just a tail, so it's still a wave. Goes up, breaks above here, then corrects here and goes up. Possibly, but it's so low and it's also counter trend. Yeah, that's the main reason. If this was like a trend on monthly, maybe I would have felt differently about it. So high up there. Hmm. It's too high above and it changed in confirmed direction. And it's a counter trend, so anything here can be only done up to 0.5. And we have bigger volumes here, here. That was a good exhaustion volume. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. I like the exhaustion volume in minutes, but that's about it. Yeah. That looked like an exhaustion of this downtrend. So volume still holds. Monthly is indecisive, I'd say. Monthly doesn't help us. It's 2-bar up thrust, and that's now a test to this up thrust. It's like too big of a volume also. And it's after hours, it's like evening session. in Russia. So wait, what the heck happened? Boom. And that configuration of an uptrust probably would need a test anyways. It's right there. It's like too close to T1 level. But we see strengths and we see weakness. For sure. Yeah, it needs to manipulate this level. And it's still too high up, and it's still on volume spring. And the volume is in the wrong. Volume distribution is short. It will need to go up here, though, to upthrust this level close to 0.5. Yeah. Okay, it's an official correction now. You see? Even with like real stops, 2R, 1R. Still up 1R. Still up 1R. Too high up there. Yes, this guy. So yeah, again, even more. So if it comes here up thrusts, that would be nice. What is it? Magnet. Magnet is one of the biggest Russian grocery stores, like Ralph's. We do this from Krasnodar. I think his name is Magnitsky, and the thing is called Magnet. So humble. Oh God, that was brutal. Okay, so wait, what? That one needs a level. Okay. Continuation of the trend, but short. It's more like a it's more like a balance now. So if it's in a balance, it hammers though. It just hammers the like ice level. Volume, volume is just hammering Okay, let's keep it. I mean, I'm not gonna trade it anyway, but I don't think I'm gonna trade anything today. It's Friday. It's Friday. Another trade I didn't take. Even then the volume distribution is good. And we earned 0.5. And that was just a tail. That was just a tail. And by the way, it's now broken. So it's good in continuation of the trend, really. Let's test this idea. Um, it broke the level. And we see if it will confirm the change of direction. Yeah, in the previous, like, T1s don't make any sense. It's lower than this, so even this. Every freaking I'm losing my religion. Da, da, da. Dun, dun, dun. Down, down, down. Super technically, that's the previous T2. But on the hour, yeah, I just didn't do the up thrust. Didn't do the up thrust here, didn't do the up thrust there. We'll see how it will play out, but now it's short for now. Use bearish bar, bearish bar. All spread, new spread, any spread. It's bearish bar. That's continuation of the trend. That's a continuation of the trend. So for day trade is this. And also it's short. See, so very often it doesn't reach the level by hair and just shoots up. Well, for hour, it was this 0.5. It went a little lower. Now this thing is good for counter trend for day trade. Proof of concept. That was fun. Did you guys see it? Not the biggest volume, but like something is going on like right now. Look at this freaking thing. Someone just closed position, coming back from lunch. There's no entry on 5 minutes though. Ooh, that's interesting. Is it just yeah, it looks it's just the Johnson and Johnson. But it was fun. It's good up to point. Boop. I think it was fun. And counter trend when it changes direction on inferior, I think it's done pretty much. It's done at this point. Um, but that was fun to see it just go like this into 0.5. Yeah, but nothing on 5 minutes. But nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. It goes down, down, down. Up. This is brutal. But regardless, so now nothing here makes any sense. And that's also a daily watch. Yeah. The perforated levels don't matter. This volume zone was respected. The thing just doesn't go. My charging on Kinder Morgan was validated by my trading coach. Yeah, this volume looks legit now. Mm, what are you gonna do here? 10, 10, 10. It needs a transitioning Shroom, which it did. Here it is. Nothing compares to you. There was a 2-bar spring volumed, a little bit below 0.5. So that was good for, but it was like bigger volume at approach, so needed a test. And also 1223, 1223, it's right on the line. That's interesting. So high. I think I could fly over the rainbow so high. I dream I could fly over the 59, 53. Well, technically it's also a break. And then definitely would have worked on inferior time frame on the hourly. Was there anything on the minutes? Yeah, nothing. Nothing and no test, of course. That would need a test. Right? Why haven't here? This is the sign of strength. Was I drunk or did it change like volumes like this? And it looks way, way better now. Hmm. They must have changed the volume. I couldn't be that blind. And I don't trade inebriated, intoxicated, or whatever. Uh, just don't do that. As a matter of the fact, I don't use anything mm, alternating the state of consciousness at all. So they must have changed the volume for like here. It's interesting. It went to this volume and boom, now it goes lower. So this was unvolumed. Oh, that's not a spring anymore. Spring was here. Anyhow, whatever it was. It's not good for anything now. RTX. Interesting place on daily, not so much on monthly or annual. Broke down, so we got the transition extremum. This volume doesn't look um, long at all. It needs a local extremum now. Binge. Locally, it goes down now on monthly, on daily. Bush needs a break. I don't know what this thing is doing, but um, boom, Morgan Stanley. Look at this guy. That would need a test, but no test. And, boom. Stuff moves today. moves. Yeah, it's very weak sign of strength because this volume is bigger. Boom. Just reached it in one move. Needs to stop down, but yeah. Look at this volume. It's Friday and all of that, but look like an absolute ultimate exhaustion. We'll keep on watching. Boom. This makes no sense to try to pick it up from here. You know what I mean? Just saying it's too close to this to one and oh, and we already discussed this is the sentence. I should just remove it from yeah, I should just put it on nothing. I should put it on nothing watch list. uh, it's interesting because when it reaches level like this, I can still technically look for day trade chart if the I don't need a close manipulation signal on daily to day trade it on 5 minutes, you know what I mean? Look, a lot of stocks lost all the gains of the week very much. Doing. So look at all this. Doing. Stocks are losing shit. Stocks are losing their shit. Uh, stop. Well, yeah, that's a balance. So I don't need a close manipulation signal. It's already corrected and this bar went down. Boom. Look how beautiful. Super cute. Hey, super cute. Changed up. Yeah, I wish it was this level. Like, don't. And there's no point to do coincidence of levels at counter trend at all. At all. So we are here now. And it's cute little volume, you know, and we had this volume here previously. So, not bad. Just needs to decide where it wants to go. Boink. It's a balance. So, boink. So we don't need a close manipulation signal. I don't. Don't know about you guys. Speak for myself. Boing. Again. Eh. Hmm. Dun, 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 dun. Approaching a 0.5 and look at this volume. Ooh. This is now getting hairy. I wouldn't go this far, but at least here locally, it's the volume. It's getting close to 0.5. Hey. Yeah. And we are short now on hour. So let's keep it open. Boing. A new transition extremum. Yeah. This thing went up as it should have. And that's a balance. Boom, 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 boom. Plim, 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 plim. Oh my gosh, I just remembered an old Soviet song. Я не ревную тебя. Oh my god. Plim, 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 plim. It was like before I was a kid. It was a long time ago. This level doesn't hold well now. Hold on, where's my charger? This Best Buy guy. So the thing is, it should go down, except for this volume. It's for now, it broke the level and we'll meet it there. We'll meet it at expanding creep. Babush. How rude, disrespectful. Didn't respect the sinus strength level at all. Needless to say, it's in a perfect 0.5. How rude. Um, mm, mm. It might be good in continuation of the trend by the end of this day. No way. I made it to the end of the list. Thank you for waste management for being so loud. Just like cutting my ears every time. Really appreciate it. No one cares about noise pollution. That's my trouble with urban living. Not only urban, like everywhere. Like we care about air pollution, this pollution, that pollution, microplastics, and all those things. Ozone layer, you name it. But who cares about noise? So using super noisy trucks is like, ah. But clean air vehicle, this type of shit. Uh, I wish we developed more consciousness around noise pollution. That was like too far from 0.5. And unvolumed. So, okay, I think I need to bring for more on this. Look at this guy. Just look at it. Crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go. I think I need a break. Oh yeah, definitely need a break. You know what? Let's see our biggest losers. And I need to shorten my list somehow. I don't know how. And that's definitely a short. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's this now. Blink. Erased all the gains of the past 2 weeks, if there was any. Boink. Interesting. 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 924. There's no level here, Mishka. Just hallucinating. So, yeah. We're trying to tell. This volume distribution? And why on earth I decided to put here a level to begin with? Because this is like exhaustion, and once we broke above it, yeah, maybe. But you see this level, and then boom, volume comes again. It tries to break, but doesn't go, and then. So yeah. 924, 925, 928. There was no level to begin with. Let's see it for funsies, but oh, it's so me. It's so me. I think it's our predatory nature. Something is moving, going, oh, that's it. That's moving. Static stuff gets us bored, and dynamic stuff gets us excited. As long as it moves, I wanna like see it. I wanna see it. And we're calling this one a balance, so it doesn't need a close manipulation signal. It's good for short or mat life. My first ever industrial project in United States. They flew me to North Carolina. That was a lot of fun. Look what it did. It was like, blink. I'm dying. In an hour. Look at the hour. It's kind of like not a good idea to see coincidence of levels counter trend. However, it was a balance. And what about volume? Volume is good. For the T1 level, was significant. Okay. And then how was the approach on daily? Yeah, that was the volume. Not the biggest, but significant. And the approach was uh, rather weak. Yeah, that's an approach and it's weak. And then this happens. Look at absolutely. MetLife died. Blink. Goes up, goes down, and never confirms it like everything's here. Goes up, up. What the heck is this? And down and yeah, nothing. Blump. Bang. Yeah. What a mess. Nvidia. Good for short. Ooh. No dividends, no nothing, just gaps like this. And yeah. It wants to die. For for like for all I care. Gosh. I'm gonna go take a break. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone knows anything. Look how beautiful it was. It confirmed the change of direction, but more so looks like it's so Californian. It confirmed the change of direction. Mm. Yeah, this is definitely the volume. And right after here, it was good up to 0.5. There's no context on monthly whatsoever. But bra, but bra. Yeah. Good splash of volume here. Here. You see, like here, I'm already, I start doing that. This upward inflection at the end of the sentence. No matter what, that's California getting in my bones. Yeah. 89, 98, 103. Oh, so that was in nothing on hourly, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Um, it's good for a short for a quick second. Not anymore. Nothing here. Nothing here. Okay, I'm gonna go. JP Morgan Chase. Like banks show similar pattern now, don't you find? Bunk, it's right there. Do you wanna buy it? Really? Yes, I wouldn't if I were you. Boom, boom, down. It's like super technical. It's coincidence of the levels right here. Uh, but what's the point? Okay, guys, the Russian goodbye. uh, Saying goodbye and then don't leave. It's called a Russian goodbye. You could call it balance starting from here. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. But really, the balance started from earlier. It started from here. But yeah, I think they also call it like Irish goodbye. When they say bye but don't leave, they call it Russian goodbye. They say British goodbye is to leave without saying goodbye. And Russian goodbye is saying goodbye without leaving. um, bro. Bro. That would be good right now. After test that's going on right now. That's like suicidal. Write everything. However, yeah, they'll finish a test and it'll be good like right now. It's a volume T1. Mm. Like, come on. No. I'll just watch it go. I promise you guys. I promise to myself. I promise to my bank account, to my brokerage account. Um, I'll watch it go. On minutes looks like beautiful. Looks great on minutes. As it can go, you're dismissed. Baboosh. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Oh, and it's a balance, right? Yeah. Ever since here, it's a balance. It's a balance. I'm just getting myself entertained while um while JP Morgan closes the test, completes the test, and we'll be good um, for day trade. Only with a real stop, right? Do I want a real stop? And even for like, even look at this movement, like what the heck? Just expect a quick bounce here easily. Uh, do I want to be part of it? Don't think so. Okay, what else? No, guys, for real, I said I'm gonna go and I didn't. How rude. How rude. Boom. 0.5. That was 0.5. Wait. Market is red. Look at this. Market is red. Not rad, but red. You know what I mean? Don't make confusion because of my accent. It's not rad. I just learned recently that rad is short for radical. That's so much makes more sense now. It's like, what is rad? Like, what does it even mean? And recently I've been explained that rad is like shortening of radical. Oh, I know. That makes sense. So English is not just pure gibberish, as I supposed it to be. It actually makes sense sometimes. Everybody getting high sometimes, you know. Come on, Misha, go. Go. I maybe want to see this guy complete the pattern. Like, really? It can be even within the... Okay, risking crumbles. Okay, real stop, but for like a fraction. But no. Short, short, no. Yeah, the volume grows, but no. Fraction, no fractions for you. You guys, the Renick is... Renick, the market is red. Is it? Is it finally? The apocalypse I've been waiting for my entire life? Is it starting? Is it starting? Can you imagine me like this guy? It's happening! Honey! Come over, it's happening! because it's long due and it's impossible for me to work until it corrects, you know? But yeah, bro, it's like the thing is getting nasty. Mm. On the contrary, on the other slope. On that note, I'm gonna leave you, as I've promised. This time for real. Uh, this time for real. Russian market is holding up, but just because it's after hours, but I think it will follow. It will. I follow. I follow. The moment of truth. I think that will work. It's just like not in the right place. And that's the break. Okay, guys, I'm gone. I have to. Market pooped its pants. Maybe that's my problem. I promise myself to do something and then I don't do it. Think I'm gonna go and then don't go. And everything is so yum all of a sudden. You see, that's our predatory nature. Market is moving, I'm excited. Even though there is like probably less opportunities. But it's exciting. It's moving. And it's in a balance, so uh, that needs to stop. But yeah, let's complete 2% and more. Dun, 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 dun. Deep sea counter trend, so no coincidence of the levels. For sure. Ooh. No, no, no. No. She's so good. Licky Lee? Where is she? Where are you? Baby ocean. Yeah. You my reason running so deep, so I follow you. Deep sea baby. Mm. Yeah, I used to open my set when I used to DJ in Goa with um, Clubhouse version of this song. This is the Clubhouse track. I was not opening my set, but like every time my wife of time would show up, I would play it for her. That was our song. Mm, okay. Yeah. Oh, what I wanted to check just before I go is those guys. Yeah. Done. Done. it the doomsday? um, and broke it down. Okay, guys, now for real, I promise.